Chestnut Kinton bread. Chestnut Kinton is a Japanese sweet made mainly from chestnuts and sugar. A government booklet on regional dishes gives one example recipe. 1 kilogram of fresh chestnuts and 300 grams of sugar make about 30 pieces. This means each piece uses roughly 33 grams of chestnuts and 10 grams of sugar. The sweet keeps its shape because of the chestnut texture and the water held by the sugar, rather than support from wheat flour. When bakers try to put a large amount of this sweet into bread dough, they face a clear problem. The chestnut paste is heavy and moist, while the dough must stay light enough to ferment and form bubbles. If the two parts are mixed without care, the loaf may rise weakly, and the feeling in the mouth may become flat. For the most part, the difficulty comes from balancing water, fat, and chestnut content without losing the structure of the bread. In the city of Nakatsugawa, in the Tono area, chestnut Kinton spread as a seasonal sweet. The area has nearby chestnut production, and the city once stood as a post town on the Nakasendo route, so travelers and local people bought it as a gift. Today, the local tourist association introduces chestnut Kinton from 13 shops on a map, which shows how people can compare different versions. One bakery in a place called Chicory Village applies this idea of variation to bread. It makes a raw bread loaf that uses the sweet as a filling, not just as a flavor. The bakery explains that each loaf contains the same weight as 5 pieces of chestnut Kinton, plus extra candied chestnuts equal to 2 more pieces. Based on the booklet recipe, this means about 233 grams of chestnuts and 70 grams of sugar in total. Instead of mixing this fully into the dough, the bakery uses a method with pre-gelatinized flour and folds the sweet in layers, so that each slice shows thick lines of chestnut paste and a different balance between dough and filling.